We have a point of order.
Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, I like just Prime Minister making statement also meda rate lumibla ino as high as sampla narpla country or toklo sampla city. So me just double check him out. So we have to speak facts on this floor. The United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, which uses statistics given to them by our police force, places the Papua New Guinean rate of intentional homicide at 23.1 per 100,000 of population. Now that puts us 4 times higher than the global average, and it ranks us in the top 10 countries in terms of intentional homicide, which is killing man. So, me like just point him out this lana, correct him, Prime Minister. Thank you, Mr. Acting